It's your girl BBC, aka Vanessa, and you're watching Disney Channel. Yes, I did that. Yes. Hi, it's your girl Becky with the good hair, and you're watching Disney Channel. Oh my god, did I just miss my nail appointment? Oh my god, I can't believe I just missed my nail appointment. Oh my goodness, I can't believe this. Hi, my name is Lavania from I'ma Still Your Man Tonight, and I don't give a and you're watching Disney Channel. I wonder whose man I'm going to steal today. Maybe yours. Do I give a do I even give a Hey y'all, it's your girl Bullshit Quanana from Where My Food Stamps At or whatever, and you watching Disney Channel. Where my food stamps at?
Hey yo, it's your boy Bobby with all the hoes. I mean goals. Bobby with all the goals. And you watching Disney Channel. Where my money at though? Ha!
Oh my god! I was looking all over for you. What are you doing here? Oh my gosh, I knew you were the one for me. We're gonna go together and we're gonna live a happily ever after. Come follow me.